My name is Paula. I was part of the International Diploma for 22 here in Aviation Australia, based in Brisbane. And I've just graduated from Aviation Australia with my diploma. I really like the staff and all the instructors and lecturers that have helped me for my journey.
I was the practical instructor for Diploma 422. The amount of development that each and every student has achieved has been phenomenal. We're extremely proud of them and wish them well in the future.
And shout out to the student services in particular. Anything that we need outside of the school, they've just been like big help for us. They've helped us settle and get into that Australian culture.
One of the things I really admired about them was their work ethic, their focus and their determination.
They've helped me in getting that experience, talking about life as a general, as an aircraft maintenance technician, and building me up towards my dream job.